my darling people. You get one video when I see where Abat do. The thing just really like the thing really provoke me really. Abat, why you be like this, Abat Obaze? Why you dey wicked? Like, why you really dey wicked, this guy? I don't understand. Why it be say you dey always dey appeal for people down for where why? Why you dey always dey behave like this? Ah, why you go just come out begin dey you do genocide girl do now go beg your body you come see enter now. But why you dey wicked? Why you dey wicked? If you with somebody get problem, wetin consign another person for inside? You get problem with Akobegian. Okay, does it mean say as you get problem with Akobegian because they not vote for Obaseki now, they gonna be your enemy? Must everybody vote for Obaseki? Must everybody vote for Obaseki? Why you dey wicked like this, Abat Obaze? Why you dey wicked? Why wickedness dey run for your vein? Abat, you too dey wicked. You just come out, go see comments wey people write for you. They really insult you because you be bad person. Abat Obaze, why you dey wicked like this? Okay, if Destiny and Akobe can get problem, wetin cause? I know say now because of Akobe now you go make friend with Destiny. Destiny and Akobe they be best friend. There is no music where Akobe and the Sigwe don't they put Destiny name. There is no music. Two of them are good friends. I know say now you dey under this thing. Now you dey under. You want because say you know say Akobegi and Destiny na friend. You come back you come back go make friend with Destiny so that who are boho here kone make na Akobegi. Why you be like this? My brother will be being why be say we the those we know they like ourselves. Why be say we know always they like our own? What say Akobegi and do you now? Akobegi not do you anything. Akobegi no, I don't understand. This guy don't do you anything. You just did wicked for nothing. You just dislike the man for nothing. He not do you anything, and you go call his name for social media because they don't vote for anybody wanna vote for Baseki. That kind of bad person. You do genocide, do. You don't let that guy drink water, make keep cup. Then you want constant to do the business where genocide they do now. Why you dey wicked like this, Abat Obaze? Why you dey wicked? It's not good there. We will be those who come to eat ourselves. It's not good there. Change, my brother, change. You too dey wicked. It's not good for you. Try make you change. Try make you change, Abat Obaze. You too dey wicked. That make stillness fall out for you that time. Because you wicked, the bear man. Try make you change, my brother. You be Bini. What you they do? What you they do so? People they wash you. People they look you. Change. This man want do lush Akobegian. Even though he beg people make they come. If I go use force before, don't be beg. If you want to invite person for your party before now, you go big person they tell and say, may you come my party with force. I bet you want to give the person money may take spree. He must beg. Why not go beg them? You want to do lush before, you not go talk to them. They quarrel. So because you get quarrel with Akobegian now, doesn't mean say Matthew Doye Kevin now go get problem with Akobegian. About me you change, me you change. I beg. You don't see bumpy kill we marry ne we change. You character word them at all. The way we are behave, them at all. Oh wicked the be my brother. Oh wicked the be. Try no change. Change, my dear. Who wicked the be Emmanuel at all. The one who are behave. The one who are born bring him down. Your fellow Edo brother. Who are who bring him down, Emmanuel. Giving you better banner. People call you. They say you forget. When you behave mature. He behave mature. I know they behave man attack. If you not gonna go the party, you call. Now your money you want to rich. Yeah, me go not ready or they okay, ne? Not be your money you go take rich at all. Not be your money. Not be your money Abat Obaze. Who wicked the bear man. Try no change. Change. Man do now. That is the way this guy they behave. Just very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. And so if I see do to genocide, Na Copenhagen body one can see enter now. Who wicked igbe, Emmanuel? How can you just come out for live video say make people not go at Copenhagen party? Like seriously? Now you want to tell them whether they'll go or whether they not go? Who wicked igbe? Who wicked igbe about Obaze Emmanuel? Emmanuel at all wicked igbe. Try no change, my dear. Try no change. Change. Hey, 2021 average a new year. Who you make grudges in the mind the normal? Who may forgive in mind? Why why you shush? What wicked you might be? It was a Bodenosage o. Ana with the mere with the Nosage or Anna with America. Or your America, Magic Bena or Hoviere. Magic Bena or Hoviere, then the man with the fall out to the very only. What I would a back of breaking okay villa. Wicked the being, it's not good for you at all. It's not good for you. Somebody need to talk to you, really. Somebody need to talk sense into you. You are too wicked. Wicked be. Try no change, change. La wo. Emma. The funny part do. If another tribe come to see what you they do so. How you say they'll tell look now? If another tribe they do this thing so. Me and Yage way about Obaze. Wicked the be, Emmanuel. Wicked the be. Try no change. Who change because we make it over where they evacuate. We be ne. Make it over where they evacuate. So Emma, at least. Over do that's you don't understand. Who they surprise the banner a destiny bag or ye party ni. Iye gui. A destiny bagwa ye akobere ye gui. Iye gui ye eva ma gui there. It's just that say destiny bagwa a woman they sing. You know if you leave a woman go carry akobere and I make you not carry am for party. You know if you leave a woman go carry another person. Or say no man mo akobere or say akobere man maybe your matter man. You understand me? So eru do we heregbe eru da we destiny kana yikwe akobere. If na me be destiny I go shocktalize you. You go see am for that party. I go shocktalize you. But maybe akobere may go talk to destiny make you approach and make come. Oh, everybody even and go away. We not by making friendly with a destiny because we want it down for us when you are too wicked. Wicked, be Emmanuel. Try not who change. My people, I beg, more help me advise this about me change for evil way, for a bad character, not change man. So my darling people, now the matter where they grant that be this one. I say my consider share with you now. More na hear am. More na see wetin about they do. Wetin about they do so na good thing, my people. Na good thing.